Hello everyone, I am Anup. In this video, I am going to explain about four-way switch. These four-way switch are normally used in some staircases which are going to different floors and also on either side of the bed where you can usually find in hotels. And this switch consists of four terminals and with these four terminals, 14 different ways of connection is possible. This switch consists of mechanical device which can able to change the direction of track. With this change of direction of track, then the current flow will also get changed. Here comes the basic connection of four-way switch. You can, in the first figure, you can observe the hot wire is given to the common terminal of switch 1, and from L2 of switch 1 it is given to the L3 of intermediate switch or four-way switch, and from L1 it is given to the L1 of two-way switch or three-way switch. Then from L2 it is given back to the L2 of middle switch. From L4 it is again come back to the L1. So if you give the electricity, then you can observe then as the circuit is break, hence only the electricity will reach up to L1 and it can't reach up to bulb. But in figure 2 there is a flip in last switch, hence it can able to glow the bulb. If you flip middle switch, then you can observe again it will cause break to the circuit. And again, in order to make the circuit, you have to flip switch 1 or switch 2. In last figure, we flipped switch 1, hence you can able to glow the bulb. We can. There are different methods of connecting four-way switch. In the first figure, you can observe the hot wire is given to the L1 of switch 1, and from L1 it is given to the L1 of middle switch, and from L3 it is given to the L1 of last switch. And from L2 of last switch it is given to the L3 of middle switch. From L2 it is given back to the L2 of first switch. And the common terminal of two-way switch are connected together. And the live wire which is coming from the one terminal of the bulb is given to the L2 of switch 1. So when we apply electricity, this electrons or current will flow up to L1 of last switch. Because it breaks the circuit over here, hence it can't able to glow the bulb. But in second figure, you can observe we flip the switch, we flip the last switch, hence it is able to glow the bulb. Here comes the method 2 of connection. In this method, you can observe the L1 of switch 1 which is coming from the live wire, it is given to the L3 of middle switch. From L1 it is given to the L1 of last switch, and the L2 of last switch is given to the L2 of middle switch, and from L4 of middle switch it is given to the L2 of first switch. And the common terminal of switch 1 and switch 3 are connected together. And the L2 which is coming, and the blue wire which is coming from the another terminal of the bulb is given to the L2 of first switch. When we apply electricity, it can able to reach up to L1, hence the light is not glowing. So if you flip the last switch, then you can observe you can able to glow the bulb. And the third connection is similar to second method connection, but the only changes here made is the L3 is connected to L2 instead of L1, and L4 is connected to L1 instead of L2. So when you apply electricity, it can able to glow the bulb as it is making the circuit. But in order to break the circuit, you can flip either switch 1 or switch 2, where you can observe in this figure the bulb is not glowing. So if we use multiple four-way switch in between, then the connection will look like in this figure. In the first figure, the connection is made in the on the basis of basic connection, whereas in the second figure the connection is made on the basis of third method. Thank you.